Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're in Bradenton, Florida, just 3 miles to the famous Amenity Island. Let's take a look at the Topaz today. This will be by MI Homes, going to be 1671 square feet under air, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath with an office and or den. Let's go inside and take a look. So first thing I noticed walking up is a nice little front porch area, and this is going to be an in unit. Let's go inside. Single entry front door. And then turning around, you do have a 2-car garage, but you would come in from this door right over here and go into the front door. Let's go explore. Opening up the front door. So first thing I notice is your office and or den. Right over here, this could be turned into a 3rd bedroom. On this model, it is a 3rd bedroom, leaving the 1st guest bedroom. Here is the beautiful kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have your gas range right over here. Again, walking through the kitchen, love the backsplash. Right next to the kitchen, you do have a fabulous dining space. And right next to dining, here is your living. Off your living, you do have some sliding glass doors going out to your back lanai. And of course, turning back around, another view of the main living space, dining, and of course, your kitchen. Also towards the back, you're going to have your owner bedroom. Turning around right over here. King-size bed for size reference, going into your owner bath, double vanities right over here, walk-in closet, and then turning around, a walk-in tiled shower. Leaving the owner bedroom. Let's step outside for one moment. Here is the outdoor entertaining space. Keep in mind you cannot add any side fences on the villas, so I kind of want to point that out. So here is your main little backyard area. Definitely perfect for maintenance-free living. Again, turning back around, here's a view of your back lanai area. And walking back in. We do have one more full guest bedroom. Let's go find that. And again, my name is Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty. I specialize in new construction and second homes. Give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575. And here is our last guest bedroom. This will also be towards the front. And then again, each of the guest bedrooms in the front will also share a full guest bath. Right over here, single vanity, and you do have a shower tub combo right over here. Also near the guest bedroom, you do have a beautiful laundry space. You have some upper cabinets up here and a laundry sink. Okay, guys, if you know anyone looking for a cute villa in Bradenton, Florida, just 3 miles to the beach, give me a call at 941-303-9575.